Hello everyone, welcome back to CGMates. In the previous video, we discussed about the Apgar score, what is it, what does it mean, and its importance. Today in this video, I will talk about how to calculate the Apgar score. So if you haven't watched the previous video, the link is in the description. And stick around till the end of this video as we discuss about the calculation of Apgar score. From the previous video, we know what Apgar stands for. It stands for appearance, pulse, grimace, activity and respiration respectively. Each category is given a score on a scale of 0 to 2. Let's start with appearance or color of the baby. If the color of the baby is blue or pale all over, then the score is 0. If the body of the baby is pink, but the extremities, that is the hands and legs, are blue, then the score is 1. And if the baby is completely pink, then the score is 2. Now about the pulse. If there is no pulse or the pulse is absent, then the score is 0. If the pulse is below 100 beats per minute, then the score is 1. And if the pulse is above 100 beats per minute, then the score is 2. Next is the grimace, that is the reflex of the baby. So if the baby shows no response to stimulation, then the score is 0. If the baby gives minimal response or weak cry when stimulated, then the score is 1. And if the baby cries vigorously on stimulation, then the score is 2. Next, we check for activity of the baby. If the baby is flaccid, that is, there is no activity, then we give a score of 0. If the baby is showing some flexion of the arms and legs, then the score is 1. And if the baby shows active movements, then the score is 2. And finally, last parameter to check is the respiration. If the baby is not doing respiration, then we put a score of 0. If the respiration is slow and irregular, then we give a score of 1. And if the respiration is good or the baby is crying vigorously, then we give a score of 2. In this way, we put scores in the given parameters. For evaluating the Apgar score of the baby, we do the total of all scores from 5 parameters. So the maximum score that is possible is 10 and the minimum possible score is 0. If the total score of the baby is between 7 to 10, then the newborn is in good condition. A score of 4 to 6 suggests that the baby may need some medical attention, and a score of 0 to 3 indicates the need for immediate resuscitation. Family doctors are often the first healthcare professional to assess the newborn's condition using the Apgar score. This initial evaluation helps to guide immediate care and determine if any additional medical attention or resuscitation is required. This was all about the calculation of Apgar score. Remember, if you have any questions or experiences you would like to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.